Monica and welcome back to Property Drone. Today we are stepping inside one of Pune's most talked about luxury developments, VTP Monarch. VTP Monarch sits on a 5-acre premium land parcel within a larger 10-acre development featuring 7 majestic towers and each rising 35 floors high. With just 4 flats per floor, privacy is guaranteed. Each tower has 4 high-speed lifts and 2 wide staircases, making movement efficient. This design blends contemporary architecture with functional planning, offering high ceilings, spacious layouts, and plenty of natural light. Now for the highlight, this beautifully planned 1260 square feet 3 BHK home. I'll take you through every room so you can really imagine living here. Step inside through this premium digital lock entry for enhanced security. The entrance is welcoming and the foyer space is perfect for a console table, shoe rack, or even a small decor piece to welcome guests. As we enter our 3 BHK spacious home, we can see that we have a living area on the left side, connected to which we have a dining area on the right side, which is perfectly designed to accommodate a 5 to 6 seater table. The living room is open, airy and full of light, thanks to floor-to-ceiling sliding windows. Now let's check out this attached balcony, which offers a panoramic city view, making it ideal for your morning coffee. It also includes a wooden roof and stainless steel railings with toughened glass for your safety. Near the dining area, we have our kitchen on this side. The modular kitchen comes with granite counters, overhead storage, and plenty of workspace. It also connects you to a dry balcony, which is perfect for your laundry and additional storage, making your main cooking area neat and clean. Let me walk you through our first bedroom. This bedroom is ideal for guests, parents, or can be made even as your home office. Spacious enough for a double bed and a wardrobe with large windows for ventilation. Right on the opposite of our first bedroom, we have a common washroom. The common washroom is sleek with premium fittings and anti-skid tiles for your safety. Now let me take you to our second bedroom. This room is great for kids or can be used as your study space. It also has large windows for all the natural light and ventilation. We also have our attached washroom here. Which comes with the same premium fittings and anti-skid tiles for your safety. Now let me take you through our master bedroom. This room is spacious enough for a king-sized bed, a reading nook, and a wall-length wardrobe. Which comes with an attached washroom with the same premium fittings and anti-skid tiles and a spacious shower area. Wake up to sunlight pouring in through full-length windows. It's the perfect start to your day. So that was VTP Monarch, a blend of luxury, thoughtful planning, and unmatched amenities. So whether you are buying it for yourself or as an investment, this project ticks all the boxes: location, lifestyle, and long-term value. If you enjoyed this tour, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Property Drone for more premium property walkthroughs. I am Manika, and I'll see you in the next video.